Hi, I'm Charlie with US Water Systems. Today we're going to talk about the US Water Systems Anti-Scalant Injection System. This is a system that is usually used in conjunction with an RO system, a reverse osmosis water treatment system. This system is used in lieu of water softening. This can actually help the RO systems reject hardness without the use of salt and a conventional water softener. Plus, the footprint's much smaller. These particular systems require a little bit of maintenance. We use a solution called the HyperGuard Anti-Scalant, and this particular solution is concentrated. So when you get your solution, you'll pour it into the tank, and there's a chart on the back to tell you how to mix it. And you can mix it directly with RO water. Now, because this is a concentrated solution, it's a good idea to stir your anti-scalant once a week with a wooden spoon or something of that sort to just make sure nothing separates from solution. After about a year or so, we replace the pump tube, and the system will actually come with a new tube for the first year. And then from there on out, we sell pump tubes in 2-packs. So once a year, you have to remove the front of this cover, and you can replace the pump tube in here. And it comes right off. And then you can see the pump tube is actually in here. You use the cap and you can put it on here and depress these rollers, place the tube, pop the rollers back out, and put your cap back on. And this ensures that your system will not have any issues with pumping the liquid, but also that the pump tube itself doesn't start to leak after a period of time. This is not intended for whole house use, so it's not to be used in lieu of like polyphosphate or something of that sort. This is only for pre-treatment of reverse osmosis systems, and it helps to encapsulate hardness and some other nuisance chemicals prior to feeding them to a reverse osmosis. Again, my name's Charlie, and this is the US Water System Anti-Scalant Injection System. The particular items we talked about changing today, such as the pump tube, or even if you change your injection check valve, all can be found in videos from the pump manufacturer. And we're going to put a link to that down in the description.